Welcome once again students in the chemistry class, and the chapter is chemical reaction and equation which we are going to start. In this chapter students, we will learn what is exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction, and the different types of the chemical reaction. So let's start the exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction students. Exothermic reaction are those reactions during which heat is evolved, or we can say where the heat releases, right? In those reactions where the heat releases, we can say it is an exothermic reaction. Let's see the one example, like combustion of methane gas, like combustion of carbon, fine, combustion of coke. That is the example of the exothermic reaction. Even the burning of magnesium also, not even that, the respiration which occur in our body, it is also the exothermic reaction. Let's see. Suppose students, in exothermic reaction, for example, C plus O2, it will form CO2, right? CO2 plus heat. Like suppose if I am writing CS4, which is a methane gas, plus O2, in the presence of oxygen it burns and form CO2 plus H2O plus heat. You can see students here, I write the heat in product in right hand side. So in exothermic in the reaction, always we write the plus heat in right hand side, means in product. That if plus heat it has written in the product side, that means it is a which type of reaction? It is a exothermic reaction, and we can easily recognize it is a exothermic reaction if it plus heat it has written in product side, means in right hand side. Now students, endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction are those reactions during which heat is absorbed, okay, where the heat is absorbed, that is known as the endothermic reaction. Like a student, that photosynthesis, it is also the endothermic reaction. The electrolysis of water, it is also the endothermic reaction. For example, students, suppose if I take N2 plus O2, it is a gas, so it requires a heat, plus heat I have written, and in form, it form NO gas, okay, it is a gas, NO gas, which is nitrous oxide gas. So you observe here students, I have written plus heat where? In the reactant side, but in exothermic reaction, plus heat written in the product side. So this is the difference between the exothermic and endothermic reaction. Through this we can recognize it is an exothermic reaction or it is a endothermic reaction. If plus heat it is written on the reactant side, that means it is a endothermic reaction. If plus heat it has written on product side, it means it is a exothermic reaction. Is it clear? So now let's start the types of reaction. There are the different types of reaction students, like combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, neutralization reaction, oxidation and reduction reaction. But today only two types of chemical reaction we will discuss, that is combination reaction and decomposition reaction. Students, combination reaction. Combination means that combine. Okay, combine means to join. Fine. So combination reaction says that those reaction where two or more elements or compounds combine and form the new product, which is known as the combination reaction, where two elements can take place or two compound also can take place in the reaction and form the one single compound, which is known as the combination reaction. Suppose students, there A plus B, either it can be elements or compound, and it form the new compound, which is C. Now let's see one example also students. Combination reaction. Suppose if I take the two elements like Mg, it is in course, plus O2, what it will be for? MgO, that is MgO. Suppose another example, if I take C plus O2, it for CO2. So this is a which type of reaction, students? It is a combination reaction where the two elements can take place or two compounds, or also it can take place. Let's see the example. Like two compounds, I take ammonia NH3 plus HCl. This is NH3, sorry. Okay, NH3 which is ammonia, and HCl hydrochloric acid. When it react, it will form the ammonia chloride. Right. So this is a combination reaction where two or more elements or compounds combine and form the one single product. Either you can say one new product, which is known as the combination reaction. Now let's see the decomposition reaction. Decomposition means decompose, break down. Fine. Decomposition reaction, students, that means where the one single compound decompose and forms the two or more compounds. Fine. Where the one compound decompose, either break down, either you can say split and form the two or more compounds. Decomposition reaction, student, it is the just opposite of the combination reaction. Here we observe we can see, students, ki two elements combines and form the one single product, but in decomposition reaction one single product will decompose and form the two or more compounds. For example, let's see, student, suppose that is CaCO3, right? CaCO3, if we give the heat, means heat it is going to absorb, so it is also the endothermic reaction, and it will form CaO plus CO2 gas. Calcium carbonate, it will decompose and form the CaO plus CO2. Here we observe one single compound break down into two simpler compound or substances. Fine. This CaO, it is known as quicklime, which is known as quicklime. And as we know, students, do you know what is the use of the quicklime? Quicklime we use for whitewashing in our houses. Is it clear? So what is the name of the compound which we use as a whitewashing in our house? That is calcium oxide, which is a quicklime. Now clear? Student, decomposition reaction is categorized into the three types, like thermal decomposition, second electrolytic decomposition, and the third one photolytic. Fine, student. First one thermal decomposition, second electrolytic, third photolytic, and fourth students decomposition which occur in our body also. We will discuss later. So first thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition, that means कि those reaction where heat is absorbed. Fine. So those reaction where heat is absorbed, that type of reaction, it is known as thermal decomposition. Clear? Suppose students in NCERT book one activity, it has given that ferrous sulfate. Fine. What happened when we heat the ferrous sulfate? So let me see the examples of that. FeSO4, which is a ferrous sulfate. Fine. When we heat, students, it will be converted here Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. It is in the form of the gas, and this we can take in the form of solid, right? Fe2O3. FeSO4, firstly it was green color, and after the heating it will be converted into the blackish brown compound which is known as ferric oxide. So this is also the example of thermal decomposition. That calcium carbonate, it is also the example of thermal decomposition. Clear? Now let's see the electrolytic decomposition. Students, electrolytic decomposition are those reactions where we use the energy in the form of the electric current. Through the electrolysis process, the electrolytic decomposition occurs, like electrolysis of water. Let's see. Suppose this is a S2. When the electric current pass Here we write electric current. It will be changed into hydrogen and oxygen gas. This is a lesser decomposition. Another example is, students, that decomposition of sodium chloride also, it will be converted into the sodium plus chlorine gas, where the energy is used in the form of electric current, that is known as the electrolytic decomposition. Clear? Now students, photolytic decomposition. Photo means light. Okay, so that reaction which occur in the presence of light, and that light, that is sunlight. Fine. So photolytic decomposition are those reactions which occur in the presence of sunlight. Let's see the example. Suppose students, that is AgBr, which is known as silver bromide. Sunlight, it decompose, it form the silver plus bromine gas. At the place of silver bromide, we can use silver chloride also, which was firstly white in color, and silver bromide, which was firstly pale yellow in color. That sunlight, it decompose and form the silver and chlorine gas. Listen students here. Firstly, the silver chloride was white in color, but after the decomposition, it formed the grayish white color. That is silver. This compound, it formed the color of that compound. It is silver color, right? Blackish silver color, where due to the presence of the silver, silver metal, right? Now here students, you see that photolytic decomposition which occur in the presence of the sunlight, right? Where it decompose and form the another compound. Here we observe students decomposition reaction where the one single compound decompose and form the two and more compounds. That is the decomposition reaction. And these compound, the silver bromide, silver chloride, which we use in the photography, white and black photography, we use these compounds. So these are the combination and decomposition reaction. In next class we will discuss the displacement, double displacement, oxidation, reduction and neutralization reaction. Thank you class.